A Walmart app update problem is usually fixed by checking the app version, refreshing the connection, and clearing common app issues before contacting support. By the end, you'll know the most common fixes when the Walmart app stops working after an update, and the steps to try before reinstalling the app. Start by checking whether the Walmart app is fully updated. Open your device's App Store, search for the Walmart app, and confirm whether another update is available. An incomplete update can cause features to stop loading correctly. The next step is closing and reopening the app. Background errors can prevent pages, membership information, or account features from loading properly. Fully close the app, then open it again and test the feature that was not working. If the problem continues, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see whether the issue changes. A weak connection can make the app appear broken when the problem is actually network-related. Another fix is restarting your phone. A restart clears temporary system issues that can affect how apps run after an update. If the app still does not work, check your login status. Sign out of your Walmart account and sign back in. This refreshes the connection between your account and the app. You can also reinstall the Walmart app. Delete the app from your device, download it again from your App Store, and log back into your account. Reinstalling gives you a fresh app installation and can fix problems caused by corrupted app files. Before reinstalling, make sure you know your Walmart account login details. You will need them to access your account again after the app is installed. If none of these steps fix the issue, check Walmart's support options. Provide details about what is happening, what device you are using, and which app feature is not working. Clear information helps support identify the problem faster. The main points are simple. First, check for app updates and restart the app after updating. Second, test your connection and refresh your account login. Third, reinstall the app or contact Walmart support if the problem continues. Your next step is to try the fixes in order, starting with checking the app version and restarting your device. If this guide helped you fix a Walmart app issue, like the video and subscribe for more practical app troubleshooting guides.